On behalf of the Nelson Labs teams, I want to welcome you all to our seminar. Actually, I was hoping to have a small Zen moment this morning, but traffic didn't allow me to do that. I hope you all didn't have too much trouble to get here. Let me first start with a short introduction of where Nelson Labs fits into the organization. We're part of the Sotera Health Group, and if I go back a little bit into history, the business originates from our contract sterilization business called Sterigenics. I've been working for this business for quite some time. And actually, if you go 20 years back, it was actually IBA, an EB manufacturer, who decided to buy some EO sterilization business as well as some gamma irradiation business and combine that with their E-beam activity. And back in 2004, that became an independent contract sterilizer represented throughout the world. 10 years later, we acquired Nordion, the key supplier of cobalt-60 for the gamma irradiation in the world. And in 2016, we added Nelson Labs to our network. 2017, also the former Toxicon site here in Leuven became part of the Nelson network. And shortly after, I became the managing director of this activity. If you look at the representation, I hope the map is visible. As you can see, we have quite some locations where we either are close to the manufacturing or the distribution centers of the services we provide to our customers. And also very delighted that our chairman and CEO, Mr. Michael Petras, is able to join us also today for a few hours. Thank you, Michael. From a mission perspective, our goal is to provide high-class services for all the, let's say, the needs the current healthcare industry requires. And the way we execute that is based on our values. Integrity, excellence in what we do, people we have, experts we have, safety, as we handle a lot of dangerous materials, as some of the cornerstones on how we provide provide our service on a daily basis. When it comes to the relevance of the seminar, there's a lot of things moving in the single-use market, not only because of the changes to USP 665, but we live in an ever-changing regulatory environment. And that's why we thought it was kind of key for this year to spend some time on the safety considerations linked to single-use systems, linked to extractable and leachable work, including also the tox work needed around that. And that's why I'm also very delighted that on one hand, some internal experts will provide some insight, as well as some distinguished external speakers who will share their thoughts and their ideas and insights on this topic. And as always, I want to finish with one of our key missions is also where we consider knowledge sharing and training as a key part of our priorities.